Good afternoon, everyone. Let's take a few minutes to catch up on the key developments shaping the global markets. And in the US, tensions have escalated as protests break out in Los Angeles. The California government is pushing back against the Trump administration's deployment of federal troops. Trump also threatened to arrest the governor, though he has also mentioned that he wants to avoid the civil conflict in US. Elon Musk has voiced support for the federal action. And meanwhile, the US Justice Department has asked the courts to extend the temporary suspension on the ruling against Trump's tariffs. The Congressional Budget Office has also warned that the emergency measures to avoid breaching the debt ceiling could run out between mid-August and late September. And on the legislative front, the Senate is revising Trump's tax reforms, while a proposed newborn savings plan would grant $1,000 for every US-born child. Internationally, Iran has rejected the latest US nuclear proposals as unacceptable and warned it will retaliate if its nuclear sites are attacked. In Asia, Japan's top negotiators head to the US this week with rumors they may buy back the ultra-long-term bonds. Trump also mentioned Elon Musk might want a meeting, though none has been scheduled yet. So looking at the markets, the US dollar index slipped below 99, closing at 99.01, while Treasury yields edged lower, 10-year yields at 4.48%. Investors are watching closely ahead of this week's US inflation data, and headline CPI is expected at 2.5%, but falling gasoline prices could drag the figure below core CPI. Unless inflation surprises, the Fed is unlikely to shift its stance at next week's meeting. And gold rebounded 0.47% as the dollar softened and safe haven demand stayed firm. Silver rose for a fourth straight session. And China's central bank has reportedly increased its gold holdings for the 7th month in a row, supporting the sentiment. So moving to crude oil. The oil extended its gains and WTI rose 0.7% as hopes for the stronger summer demand and steady Chinese buying supported the prices. But resistance near the 200-day moving average at 68 could limit the further upside. So in short, geopolitics, central banks policy, and shifting trade dynamics remain in focus, whether you are tracking gold, crude oil, or currencies. So stay alert. These stories will continue to drive the market direction in days ahead. So thank you for tuning in.